we just got those new numbers. Of the new votes that were just reported out, Donald Trump won 43,966 of them. Joe Biden won 30,322 of them. Donald Trump is getting around 59% of these votes.
That's crazy.
Now, so that is, remember the three buckets here.
Yeah.
The first bucket was the early. Biden won it by 10. The second bucket was the same day. Trump won it by 26. The third bucket, you're looking at the start of that. Now, this is not all of it. What we just got here, again, about 75,000 votes. Remember, they said there's about 400,000 and change to come out of Maricopa County. So we got 75,000 of 400,000 plus out of Maricopa County. This pace of 59% for Trump, it might change as more ballots are added into here. So let's see. But this at least establishes, I think, up front, the possibility here that this third bucket of votes is a Trump-favorable bucket of votes. And you can see it's already brought him to 5 points behind in Maricopa County. It was 10 after the first bucket was reported. It was about 6 after the same day was cast. And now the first installment of the final batch has made it 5. And we can see what has this done to the statewide margin here in Arizona. Let's scan out there. Now it's down to 2.8%. And you see the statewide margin there, which was over 90,000, has fallen under 80,000. So there will be more to come here. This is 75,000 out of 400,000 and change. Let's see if Trump continues to win them at that rate.